Alright, so we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2023 Kia Niro hybrid. It's a little different than the 22 and older ones, so go ahead and take a look. First thing you gotta do, obviously, open this up. Make sure you got all your stuff out so you don't make a mess. Oh, also, this is the CarQuest air filter. It was $11.99 as of this recording from Advanced Auto. A lot of the old tutorials you might see online have you take out little tabs on both sides. It's not like that in the 23. I'll show you what you got to do. And sorry for the noise. One of the kids decided, hey, let's do laundry right now. So first thing you got to do is this little arm right here. You got to take that out. Boom. Easy peasy, just with your fingers. That's all you gotta do to get that out. It's a little tight, but not bad. If I didn't break that piece, then you'll be all right. Next thing you gotta do, by the way, I'm no mechanic, is pinch these sides in. This part is actually probably rougher. Just gotta pinch these in. Come on, baby. There we go. And then that drops down. You see, got some insulation here. Yeah, these are the parts right here. And I'm shining my light on right here that you have to pinch in to clear out of these slots. These slots right here. It's real easy. It's no issue. Next thing you gotta do is you have to take this door off. Just give that a little pinch. It's hard to do this while holding a camera. There we go, a little pinch. Swings out, no problem. There is your air filter with Hyundai and Kia part number, in case you want to reference that for whatever reason. And then just pull it out. This has got about 23,000 miles on it right now. Yeah, so kind of dirty. Not terrible. Could be a lot worse, but does have some dust on it. While we're at it, if you want to know what it looks like inside, that's what it looks like in there, in case you were curious. So we got the new one. We want to make sure it's placed in the proper way. If you remember on this one, it was with the airflow arrow down. So we want to make sure this also has the airflow arrow down. See, that's what it's like when up, and if you replace it just directly in there like this, I mean, that's not going to work. It's loose, it doesn't sit back, so you gotta make sure you got it the right way, which in this case it's going to be this way with airflow down. Boom, there we go, nice and fit. Your other other filters might be a little different. That's how this one's labeled though. So you just hook that back in the hinge, press it in. Alright, so after you got that set, don't forget to bring this up. Don't forget you got your little lever over here, which you will need to reattach. And boom, just attaches that easy. Just make sure when you push this up, just be careful because you might push this lever up there. Just if that happens, just pull it back down like I did with your fingers, attach it back on, and you're good to go. All right, so once you got that all reattached, boom, just close it. Good to go. Double check, make sure it opens and closes fine, why not? It's good practice. And then just take your old filter, properly dispose of it, and hey, save yourself some time and money. I mean, even with me fumbling around, this is 5 minutes and $12 for the filter. Or you could spend 50-60 bucks plus at the dealership to do it for you. You know, either way, as long as you got clean air, right? But hey, you know, save yourself the time, save yourself the money, do what you can yourself. If you can't do it yourself, I mean, yeah, go ahead, have somebody do it for you, but if you can, save that moolah. Anyway, remember, get outside, enjoy life, do some things. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family, every little bit.